Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. I didn't intend to do a shoppy video today because I only had about £7 and odds in my purse, and I thought I'll just go to Aldi and pick up the bits that I wanted. Basically, the main things I went for were some noodles because I've defrosted some prawns. I got these prawns a while ago, threw them in the freezer, and they were £1.25, which I thought was a great deal. So I'm going to do a prawn stir fry for dinner tonight, and these noodles are 99p. I went to get a little bag of sweeties for my son so we can throw them in his pocket, take him to work tomorrow. And I needed patty for the dog. The sweets were 45p and the dog food was 59p. So they're the main things I went for because I thought I'll do a prawn stir fry. I defrosted a pizza as well, so I'm going to have that for dinner, for lunch. I've got a tiny bit of cheese left. And I mean tiny, I'll go and get it out the freezer to show you. I have the fridge. So literally, I thought, I know, I'll grate the last of the cheese on the, see, a little tiny bit. And I thought, I'll have that. But I've got some extra bits. I was hoping to get some fruit and veggies reduced in a sweet treat, and I did. So I'll show you what I got. I've got a bag of Pink Lady apples. These were 75% off, so I was really happy about that. So they should have been £1.99 and I got £1.50 off. So I got a bag of apples for 49p, and my son absolutely loves these. These are his favourite apples. I got a bag of salad because we like that with everything, so I'll have that with some with my pizza and I'll finish it off tomorrow. I particularly like the red lettuce. I think it's really nice and tasty, and that was 75% off as well. You probably think, God, she's cheap. So the salad should have been 89 and I got 67p off, so the salad works out at 22p. I also got some corn. I've had a corn moment this last week or two, and these were 50% off. I just love sweet corn, so nice. So they should have been £1.29 and I got 65p off, so I think that's a good deal. So that came to 64p, I think, what works out at. I got a big load of tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Great to have in a salad, and I'll throw some on top of me cheapy pizza. And they were 50% off. So the tomatoes were £1.19, I got 60p off, so they worked out at 59p. And the date on them is the 26th of August, so there's still another week left on them, so I thought that was good going. I also got some mushrooms reduced. These were 30% off, so that's tomorrow's date, the 20th. So there's the mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms should have been £1.29 or 39p off, so they were 80p. So I'll throw some of them in the stir fry, and I'm going to throw one chopped up on top of the cheapy pizza. So my pizza's going to be lovely today. Tomato, mushroom and some cheese. Oh, lovely. I'm always looking for more fruit as well. So my son got apples, and we're both having a strawberry moment this month, and that was 30% off the wonky ones. So the strawberries should have been £1.19 and we got 36p off, so I think that's good going. But they'll get scoffed today. They'll be gone. Came saw it went because we both happened into strawberries at the moment. My son will be able to take some apples to work tomorrow as well, and I'll have one or two. I got jammy donuts. These were 30% off. So I thought, yum, lovely. I'll have two after dinner tonight. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Or I might have one after lunch, one after tea. I'll save two for the morning with a brew. Jammy donuts should have been £1.09. I got 33p off. And I got these for my son. He loves these ice fingers, and these were 30% off. So he'll scoff them. I'm not overly fussed on them. I mean, I'll eat them if there's nothing else, but basically he'll scoff them and we will. So with the iced fingers should have been 1.29, we got 39p off, so that was 90p. And there's 6 of them there, so that's got about 15p each. So overall, really good. So today is a big reduction day because I'm having reduced price pizza from the freezer. We're having reduced price prawns from the freezer. And we're going to do a stir fry with the mushrooms. I'll probably throw a bit of tomato in because I've got them. I've got small onions in the fridge, so I'll use one of them as well. So we'll have a lovely stir fry for tea. And we've got pudding, we've got jammy donuts and iced fingers. I'll have a bit of salad with me pizza, and we've got plenty of fruit to go around, and the tomatoes will go in the salad as well. So I'm really pleased. I think that's so good. So like I said, I went with £7 on odds and I wasn't holding up much hope. I thought I'll have a look on Aldi because I've been in Asda a couple of times, the last 2 times, so I thought, I know, I'll go to Aldi today. And as you can see, I got 11 items and it came to £7.36. So 3 items were full price and the rest were reduced price. The best was the apples and the salad, 75% off. So good. So I'm really pleased. So I've got plenty to feed our fat faces with. So please like, share and subscribe. I really do hope to see you soon. And bye for now.